Hi guys, I'm going to try out this eyebrow stencil, and I'm gonna see if it works. So the problem that I feel that I would have, I tried it once. It's probably better for somebody with no eyebrows to try this, because it'll go on perfect with no eyebrows. So I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna put it just on my skin, guys, and when it goes on the skin, you'll see what I'm talking about. It will be perfect. But then when you got hair or whatever, it's harder. Which one is this? Okay, this is the one I need. Okay. So if you guys see, you take it and you press the stamp into your powder. Mara, move. Move. Thank you. Move. Press it in there. And now you got to put it on here, guys. And I know my one of my YouTubers always say, you always say that word, guys. I'm sorry. It's a habit. So you put it right here. I think already. So you see? But it's arched up way too much. So now you got to fix it, because you see how it is. But I will say overall, look. Let me put it on my arm. I will say it worked. I think it'll be perfect for somebody with no eyebrows. Then eyebrows. I'm going to put it right here so you guys can see. See? It's an eyebrow. Perfect. So you see? It goes on very well. So now you got to maneuver it and make it better. So I take some of these, and it's too much up here. So, if you see, you just got to keep working with it to get it to go. But then it's like, see, it's smudge proof too. It don't smudge as bad, but it takes some getting used to, guys. So, yeah, I'm going to have to work with it to get it to the right way. It's got too much of an arch. But I think I just like the powder itself, and I just add it into my eyebrows. Because I like my eyebrows to go a certain way, and this is arched up way too high for me. So, but that's the way it's shaped. You ain't gonna get it no different. So somebody with no eyebrows, I think it'd be perfect. But you're stationed to one way, so that's the only thing that I would say that overall is the bad side of it. So, okay guys, bye. Okay, so I would say overall it does work, but it is thicker than I like my actual eyebrow to be. So, I will say the product, if you can see, this is, I did it right there. It does work though, guys. It does work. See right here? But it's thicker. So for somebody with no eyebrows, and it's got an arch, so you're trying to make it match up with your eyebrows. So, but overall, I would give the scale on a 1 to 10. I would give it a 7. I think the product does work. So, you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. And it says the eyebrow printer, brow renewer. So get perfect eyebrows all the time. So there we go, guys. And it comes with a right and left. And you pick the color. You don't got to go black. You can go brown. But I like the darker colors. So, as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.